Welcome back to UKInfos. Today we are going to see some important computer basic multiple choice questions. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Printer, keyboard, mouse, arithmetic and logic unit? None. So answer is arithmetic and logic unit. Question number 2. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, Computer Algorithm for Design, Computer Application in Design, all of the above or none. Computer Aided Design. Option A. Which of the following printer cannot print graphics? Inkjet printer, daisy wheel, laser printer, dot matrix or none. Answer is daisy wheel because it is a high quality text printer. Question number 4. A program written in machine language is called assembler, object, computer, machine or none. Answer is assembler. Question number 5. The father of modern computer is Charles Babbage, von Neumann, Dennis Ritchie, Blaise Pascal or none. Answer is Charles Babbage. Question number 6. The word FTP stands for File Translate Protocol, File Transist Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, File Typing Protocol or none. Answer is File Transfer Protocol. Question number 7. The lowest form of computer language is called Basic, Fortran, Machine Language, COBOL or none. Answer is Machine Language. Question number 8. Best quality graphics is produced by dot matrix, laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter or none. Answer is plotter. Question number 9. Memory which forgets everything when you switch off the power is known as corrupted or volatile or non-volatile or non-corrupted or none. Answer is volatile. Volatile means temporary. Example for volatile memory, RAM. So RAM is a short-term memory. Question number 10. Microsoft Office is shareware, public domain software, open source software, a vertical market application or an application suite. Answer is a vertical market application. Question number 11. How many options does a binary choice offer? None, 1, 2. It depends on the amount of memory on the computer. It depends on the speed of the computer's processor. Answer is it depends on the amount of memory on the computer. Question number 12. Computer connected to a LAN, local area network, can run faster, go online, share information and or share peripheral equipment, email or none. Answer is share information and or share peripheral equipment. We can share printer, scanner, etc. Question number 13. How are data organized in a spreadsheet? Lines and spaces, layers and planes, height and width, rows and columns, none. Answer is rows and columns. Question number 14. The blinking symbol on the computer screen is called the mouse, logo, hand, palm or cursor. Answer is cursor. Question number 15. A fault in a computer program which prevents it from working correctly is known as boot, bug, biff, strap or none. Answer is bug. Question number 16. Unwanted repetitious messages such as unsolicited bulk email is known as spam, trash, Calibri, courier or none. Answer is spam. Question number 17. Which of the following are input devices? Keyboard, mouse, card reader, scanner or all of these? Answer is all of these. Question number 18. Examples of output devices are screen, that is called monitor, printer, speaker, all of these or none. Answer is all of these. Question number 19. Which of the following is also known as brain of the computer? I hope without seeing the option you know the answer. Control unit, central processing unit, that is called CPU, arithmetic and language unit, monitor or none. Answer is CPU, central processing unit. Question number 20. IBM stands for Internal Business Management, International Business Management, International Business Machines, Internal Business Machines or none. Answer is International Business Machines. IBM is an American multinational technology. Question number 21. Translates and executes program at runtime line by line. Compiler, interpreter, linker, loader or none. Answer is interpreter. Question number 22. RAM stands for random origin memory, random only memory, read only memory, random access memory or none. Answer is random access memory. So it is a short term memory. Question number 23. ROM stands for random origin memory, random only memory, read only memory, random access memory or none. Answer is read only memory. It is a non-volatile memory. Question number 24. 1 byte is equal to 16 bits, 1024 bytes, 4 bits, 8 bits or none of these. Answer is 8 bits. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. Question number 25. The device used to carry digital data on analog lines is called as modem, multiplexer, modulator, demodulator or none. Answer is modulator. Next we are going to see higher order thinking skills questions, that is called hard questions. Akash have purchased Windows 7 operating system and a mouse for his new laptop. Which of them is a hardware device? Windows 7 or mouse, which is hardware device? Answer is mouse. Windows 7 is an operating system, that is software. Varshini has recently purchased a mobile phone with multiple features like sending mails and taking pictures. So, you would include her mobile phone in which category of computer devices? Answer is smartphone. And hard question for you. Your best friend lives in your hostel and is planning to purchase a computer for study purpose. Which type of computer will you suggest him to buy? Feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.